Okay guys, we're gonna do a quick how-to on how to shuck scallops. First, when you fish them, you want to have them in a 5-gallon bucket, and right before you're gonna shuck them, you want to put ice on them. That'll usually cause them to pry open by themselves like that, but sometimes they'll be closed like this. When they're closed like that, you want to pry them open just carefully so that you don't rip the meat that's inside, because basically what it is a piece of meat that's attached to the top and to the bottom of the shell. You want to start with the dark side on the top and just stick your knife in there and peel it off of the top of the shell. Right, once you got it detached from the top of the shell, you can pry it open and this is what you got inside. These are just basically guts around the muscle that you're looking for. You're looking for a white piece of meat. So just go around the shell, scrape off all that dark stuff, and you'll see that white piece of meat that's right there. You want to look for this dark vein. You want to pull this vein right above the white meat, and you reveal it. Once you've got that, just kind of scrape around it with your fingers. You peel it apart, and there's your scallop. And make sure it's nice and clean. So that's it. All you have to do now is just peel it off of the shell, and it's ready to be cooked. There's your scallop.
Nice.
So, have fun, guys. It's easy. Don't pay that much to get it done. You can do it yourself.
All right, cut.